This camera actually follows your pet around the room by itself. You know that thing where you check the camera and your dog is just not there? You're tilting your phone like that's going to help. So this is the P2 pet camera. It's 2K, which means you're actually seeing detail, not just a blob. But the part that got me is the auto tracking. It pans and tilts on its own and just keeps up with whatever's moving. You don't have to do anything. The AI separates humans from pets from random motion, so you're not getting pinged because a shadow moved. Night vision kicks in automatically, so 2 a.m. is covered. And two-way audio means you can actually talk to them, which, yes, they do react to your voice. It's under $50 Canadian right now. Links in my bio, just search P2 Pet Camera or tap the Amazon link directly. Worth a look. YouTube title, Pet Camera that actually follows your animal, 2K auto tracking explained.